If I had the money, what would I buy? First segment. If I had the money, what would I buy from the Ulta 21 Day of Beauty? 21 Days of Beauty. Let's go through and see. Most of the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty is coming to an end. I will be doing a video on the haul from Ulta, but that'll be coming soon. But right now, if I had the money for the Ulta 21 Day Beauty Event, what would I purchase? Saturday the 13th of September, these are the products that will be available, and the discount prices are really good. The discount price is 50% off over 250 daily and weekly beauty deals from the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty. If I had money, this is what I would purchase from the 21 Days of Ulta event. And I'm talking about Saturday, September 13th. In the comments, let me know, out of what I show you, what you would have picked up if you had the money, or if you picked it up because you have the money. Let me know in the comments. The first thing I would have picked up would be the Clarins Double Serum. I have been hearing about this serum for many years. Never pulled the trigger, but now it's going to be $47.50. That's a steal because I think this is about $80 if I'm not mistaken. The second thing I would pick up, if I had money, would be the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. It is now $26. That is a steal. And what else would I pick up, if anything? And the last thing I would pick up, if I had money, would be the Coach Dreams Moonlight Eau de Parfum 1.3 ounces. And that is $39. All the other things that are on there, I'll just mention them so you know. But other than that, those would be the three things I pick up. The Clarins Double Serum Complete Age Defying Concentrate 1 ounce. The Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Foundation 1 ounce. And the Coach Dream Moonlight Eau de Parfum 1.3 ounce. That is what I would pick up if I had money. But let me tell you, everything that is available on that deep discount for Saturday, September 13th from the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty event. Clarins Double Serum Complex Age Defying Concentrate 1 ounce. Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Foundation 1 ounce. Anastasia Beverly Hills Long Lasting Velvet Matte Lip Liner and Lip Velvet Full Pigment Lip Mousse. Divi Root Touch Up 0.7 ounce and Scalp Serum 1 ounce. Next, Shiseido Benefiance Wrinkle Smoothing Day Cream SPF 23 1.8 ounce. It Cosmetics Bye Bye Concealer and Powders. Madison Reed Radiant Hair Color Kits. NARS Talc Free Blush Orgasm Franchise. And the Coach Dreams Moonlight Eau de Parfum 1.3 ounce. Those are the items that are deep discounted for the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty. First series, if I had money, what would I buy from that event? I hope this was helpful to you, and I hope you enjoyed it, because all of us just don't have the funds to do this at this moment. But we can still dream about what we would buy if we had that money. Again, always remember you first. Never, ever, ever give up on yourself. Do not dim your light to please another. I will see you in the next video. Remember to share this video. And until I see you and you see me, I ask you to look at yourself in the mirror and say that I am enough. I am enough. Bye.